Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to transfer your accounts from Microsoft Authenticator to Google Authenticator. I have this Instagram account where I set up Microsoft Authenticator, and I want to change it to Google Authenticator. First, we have to remove the Microsoft Authenticator in order to add Google Authenticator. First, go to two-factor authentication. Go to the ID. Go to Authentication app and turn off the Authentication app. Take a turn off. Once the Microsoft Authenticator is turned off, go to Authentication app once again and click Next. Now you have two ways to add a Authenticator app. You can either scan a barcode or you can copy that code. I'm just going to copy the code and paste it to the Google Authenticator. Now that I'm back in the Google Authenticated app, and as you can see, there are no apps here yet. So I'm just going to go and click on the plus icon and select Enter a Setup Key. I'm going to give my code name as Insta. And the key that we got from the Instagram, click on Add. And as you can see, we have successfully transferred our accounts from Microsoft Authenticator to Google Authenticator. After confirming all codes work, you can remove the accounts from Microsoft Authenticator if desired. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.